This video covers some of the hazards that you might come across when driving the countryside. Think about what you would do in different situations and how you would plan for them. In this first clip, we're driving along a narrow country lane. There's not much visibility, we've got some bends here. You can't really see what's coming around the corner, and then all of a sudden, you're faced with two horse riders. You've got to keep your speed slow to deal with these situations because you really don't know what's around the corner. As we can see in this clip, we're driving along a country road. There's no white line in the centre, but it is wide enough to pass other vehicles if necessary. There's plenty of parked cars around and there may be some pedestrians. Looking ahead, we can see some movement. As we get closer, we can see that it's a pair of cyclists. We're approaching a brow of a hill, so it's important we stay behind them, so we'll need to slow down and give them plenty of space. Given the way that they're cycling side by side, it wouldn't be safe to pass them anyway, even if we could see the road ahead. We wouldn't give them enough space. Once the one on the left has put their arm out and we know they're turning left, we just need to stay behind them and give them space to turn. So we're driving along the same country road as the last clip. It's quite busy, there's a few oncoming cars. We can't see that far ahead because of the brow of the hill. When you've got a hill, always be careful you don't know what's on the other side of it. As we come up atop, you can see there's pedestrians on the right and a tractor coming towards us on our side of the road. It's had to do that to get around those pedestrians. If we'd been going faster there, that may have been a problem. As we're driving along here, take note of the warning sign on the left. There's a junction on the bend. We don't know what's around the corner and something may come across in front of us. Oh look, there's a cyclist. We'd had no idea that cyclist was there until he started to come across. He wouldn't have known that we were there either, so always be prepared. As we're driving along, we can see the road is getting narrower. We have some bends and sections where the road is wider than others. We don't know what's around the corner, so we do need to be prepared. As we come around this bend, we see an oncoming car. We can pull into this nice little passing place here and let that one get through. We might as well stay here and let the second car through. It just makes it easier for everyone. We're driving further along the same road, but it's the same situation. It's fairly narrow and we've got bends. We don't know what's coming up. As we can see, we can just about pass this lorry here safely by slowing down, but you really don't know what's around the corner. When you're driving in the countryside, you do need to be prepared for anything. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe.